Did you know that heart and coronary heart disease are still among the top 3 causes of death? It's time to take your health seriously so that you don't become a victim. What is high blood pressure and how does it happen? According to the National Institute of Health, blood pressure levels of 140/90ths of a millimeter of mercury or higher can be classified as hypertension. The worst thing with high blood pressure is that this condition can sometimes be present without symptoms, and before we know it, the harm is already vast. Serious problems are associated with high blood pressure, including kidney failure, myocardial infarction, heart failure, and stroke. What are the risk factors associated with blood pressure? Blood pressure can be influenced by many factors: age, race, level of family history, smoking, physical inactivity, diet, binge drinking, and stress. Chronic conditions such as sleep apnea, diabetes, and high cholesterol can also precipitate the development of hypertension. What can you do to lower blood pressure? You do not need potentially dangerous drugs to control and reduce your blood pressure. Controlling blood pressure levels could be as simple as making lifestyle changes and eating healthier. If you are a smoker, quit smoking. If you drink a lot, try to practice self-control. At work, take the stairs rather than the elevator. And if you are obsessed with sweets, sugary foods as well as processed fast food products, then also change your eating habits. Learn to eat the right kinds of food before it's too late. Here are 5 of my powerful first-choice foods that could help lower your blood pressure. Arterial. 1. Artichokes. Artichokes help lower blood pressure. The use of artichoke is indicated to lower the level of cholesterol in the blood. Hypercholesterolemia is one of the risk factors for high blood pressure, which is part of the good news. 3 separate clinical trials by Dr. Barbara Wider support this fact. In the database for the October 2009 issue of Cochrane Systemic Studies magazine, where the study result was published, it has been shown that patients who have been diagnosed with high cholesterol and given artichoke leaf extracts showed a decrease in their blood cholesterol levels. The artichokes have an excellent vapor taste, usually cooked for about 1 hour, by dipping each piece in a mixture of olive oil, organic butter, and garlic. Delicious. Click the link below the video to learn about the healthy eating plan. 2. Bananas. Bananas cut high blood pressure. A study published in the New England Journal of Medicine indicates that bananas incorporated into meals during your day can effectively cut the risk of death by 40%. A 1997 study by Johns Hopkins University recommends eating at least 5 bananas daily to achieve the desired effect, thereby lowering high blood pressure levels. However, a study by Indian researchers at the Kasturba College of Medicine found that people who eat 2 bananas a day for an entire week can lower their blood pressure levels by 10%. Bananas are rich in potassium, which is responsible for the proper functioning of the heart. It works with sodium to maintain the balance of body fluids, which is an important factor in regulating blood pressure. 3. Beets. Compounds in beets beat blood pressure. A study by scientists from Barts and the London Medical School has revealed that just drinking a 500 ml glass of beet juice a day can produce amazing health benefits, especially for the heart. Beet juice has been shown to lower high blood pressure levels. Professors Amrita Ahluwalia and Ben Benjamin, of the William Harvey Research Institute and of the Peninsula Medical Center, respectively directed their research efforts, revealing that the consumption of food nitrates in beets has barely reducing effects on blood pressure. 1 hour after ingestion, with lasting effects for up to 24 hours. The results of the study were published in March 2008 in the journal Hypertension. You can try beet juice or beet slices cooked in salads or as a side dish for dinner. 4. Cocoa. Cocoa helps lower blood pressure. A study by researchers at the German University Hospital in Cologne found that cocoa can lower high blood pressure levels considerably. The results of the study were published in the Archives of Internal Medicine. The beneficial effects of cocoa on the heart are attributed to its content of flavonoids, especially procyanidins. Because cocoa is more commonly found in chocolate, people mistakenly think that eating a lot of chocolate can be good for your health. Keep in mind that the cocoa in chocolate has undergone a lot of processing and that it is often mixed with too much sugar, which is not completely healthy. The best way to take advantage of the health benefits of cocoa is to choose raw cocoa, good for the heart, brain, and liver. Raw cocoa mixes well in smoothies. Also, consider using organic cocoa powder in your smoothies or in homemade hot chocolate with stevia instead of sugar. 5. Garlic. Garlic fights hypertension. Researchers at the University of South Australia in Adelaide have conducted studies that provide strong evidence that consuming garlic can actually help reduce high blood pressure levels. A supplement of garlic powder was given and the result revealed a reduction in systolic blood pressure. Garlic is known all over the world as a very important herb, especially for its protective capacity for the heart. It helps lower blood cholesterol levels and prevents the blood from forming clots, which could lead to a heart attack and stroke. In addition, the Journal of the National Academy of Sciences published the results of a laboratory test showing the extent to which garlic juice can cause a drop in blood pressure levels. Eating the equivalent of 2 cloves of garlic each day can significantly contribute to heart health. Click the link below the video to learn about the healthy eating plan.